Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically manage SharePoint lists using Microsoft Forms and Power Automate, how to automatically create and update multiple SharePoint lists. Imagine you have a form that collects data from users. You want this data to go into two SharePoint lists. The first list is called Live Monitor. Here, if an item with the same ID already exists, we update it. If it doesn't exist, we create a new item. The second list is called Logbook. Every form submission always creates a new item, so you have a complete history. Let's start. First, open Power Automate and create a new flow. Choose the trigger when a new response is submitted from Microsoft Forms. Select your form. Next, add the Get Response Details action. This retrieves all the answers from your form. Now, let's set up the Live Monitor list. Add a Get Items action for your Live Monitor SharePoint list. Filter by the ID from the form to check if it already exists. Add a Condition action. If the item exists, update it using Update Item and map all the form fields. If it doesn't exist, use Create Item to add a new item with all form data. That's it for the Live Monitor. Next, for the Logbook, add a Create Item action for your Logbook SharePoint list. Map all the form fields. Every form submission will now create a new log entry automatically. Finally, save your flow and test it by submitting a form. You'll see the Live Monitor either update or create an item, and the Logbook will always add a new entry. And there you go. You now have a fully automated system to manage live data and keep a historical log in SharePoint. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other Power Automate tutorials for more time-saving tips.